Hey cousins, it's cousin Rosie, and I am going to show you how to make my dill pickle and ranch pasta salad. Y'all, let me show you how I got on this trend. So I'm back at the fair, and I seen all of your comments about the pickle pizza yesterday. It was a half and half. Some people said it looked good, the others said it looked nasty, but look, I got another slice because it was good, like for real. I kid you guys not, like for real. So yep, ever since that fair, y'all, I've been craving pickles and ranch because the pizza had like this ranch uh sauce instead of red sauce. But anyway, this is how I make my dill pickle pasta salad. I start off with some mayonnaise, and then I'm going to open up a package of ranch seasoning. Now, I like this brand because it doesn't have any MSG, it's gluten free, and it's just so darn good. So usually when I use or need ranch, this is the brand that I use. Okay. So I'm going to mix it until it's well combined. And now I'm going to add in some pickle juice. Okay, so that's going to kind of thin out what we have going on there. And yeah, just mix that pickle juice in until everything is well incorporated. Next, we are going to sprinkle in some ground black pepper. And followed by the pepper, I'm going to add in some minced garlic. Okay, so give everything a nice stir. And then, or you don't have to stir. Now you can add in your pickles. Now I just chopped up some pickles, y'all. If you want to use some dill relish, that's totally fine. But I love the chunks of pickles. So I also added in some chopped onion. I use yellow onion. And now I'm going to add some cubed mozzarella, okay? Mix everything till well combined, just like so. And if you don't want to use cubed mozzarella, you can use shredded. I'm going to also start sprinkling in some dry dill. If you have fresh dill, oh my God, use that. I didn't have any on hand, okay? So I'm going to use the dry stuff. So sprinkle that on in there. I'm really heavy with the dill. And we're just going to just mix it just like so. And now we are good to start adding in our macaroni. This is just some elbow macaroni, as you could tell by the video. It was set to the side for a while. Okay, I made it way before this. When I say way, I mean it was sitting out for like an hour chilling, just chilling. Okay, so now I'm going to just mix that until it's well incorporated with the other ingredients. You want to make sure all the pasta is well coated. Okay, and you know what? To be completely honest with you, that's it. This is so good. I know a lot of people don't like pickles, but if you like pickles and ranch like I do, this right here, you got to try, okay? So I'm just going to add it into my serving dish, and you can leave it as is, but if you're like me and you're all extra, sprinkle the top with some more dill and some paprika, and that is it. Head over to iHeartRecipes.com for the exact measurements, and I will see you soon.